Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing my first add-ons order from IPSY for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. IPSY is a monthly subscription service. You receive a bag with a mixture of beauty items in it. It could be makeups, hair care, skin care, nail products. They have 3 different levels, 3 different price points with different levels of products. There's the Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, the Glam Bag Plus at $25 a month, or the Glam Bag Ultimate at $50 a month. But any level of Glam Bag can participate in the add-on sales. Now, this is going to come as a shock to none of you that I went a little overboard this month, but I was looking out for things that might make good Christmas presents or future giveaways, and so, you know, I picked up a few more things than I probably should have, but it all works out in the end. So this is my first delivery, my first order. So let's start with the first one in here, and let's check this one out. This is, yes, I believe this is the Glam on the Go Trio. And it came with this pretty bag. This was obviously a bag from a prior month, but it's nice that they put the bag in here. It's actually a really pretty bag. And this one, is, again, it's a trio, so there's 3 items. And we start out with, from SL Miss Glam. This is not what it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be the T35 Precise Blending Brush, but we got the SL42 Precise Powder Brush. But, you know, I'm not mad at that. I like a good powder brush. Let's see if I can... No. It's very, very pretty. You can always tell the SL Miss Glam by the 2 stones here on the barrel. The Precise Blending Brush, which I'm assuming was an eye brush, had a retail value of $18. I'm going to assume that this one had the same, because it's, if anything, it's a bigger brush. So I'm not mad at it. I think it's a pretty brush, and we all know how much I love brushes. The second item in here is from Colored Rain. I don't own anything from Colored Rain, so I was interested to check this out. And this is the Vineyard Soiree Eyeshadow Palette. And let's check this out. I believe this palette was exclusive for IPSY. And it's a very pretty little compact. It's very nice. It's plastic. And I do see the cruelty-free bunny on the back. And let's see, come on, you know you want to open. Oh, that's pretty. There is a mirror up here, but we'll put that down. And that's the color story. Lovely. And the retail value on that is $20. Don't know if that's something I'm going to keep. There's a lot of really dark shadows, and me being so fair, I end up looking like, I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. So I may actually put that in a giveaway. I have to think about that one. Very pretty though. It's just that if the shades are all that dark, I won't be able to use them properly, and it's just not as fun if you can't use the whole palette. Our third item in the trio is from Mayel Beauty, and it is the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. The shade in this one is Nude. This is a deluxe sample with a value of $4.90. Oh, they say it's nude, but it looks very pink. I don't know, I guess maybe it's very sheer when it goes on, but that's everything in this trio. The add-on price for this was $10, and the retail value, not including the bag, which is a really cute bag, $42.90. So I think we're off to a good start. Okay. Go to the next one. The first one came in this pink thing because the brush was outside the bag, but the rest of them came in these little drawstring bags, which I'm not mad at. And this is a lovely green bag. Kind of a vinyl-y, pleathery kind of feel. And this is the High Shine Trio, I think. Yes, this is the High Shine Trio. So we start out with, from Huda Beauty, the Lip Strobe in the shade Snobby. Let's see if I can pop that out without too much trouble so you can see the color better. It is very pink. Very, you know, bubblegum pink. You know, on certain days we wear pink. Retail value on that is $18. Next one is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Mocha. It says Mocha. It's kind of weirdly separated, so I don't know if it's just got to be shaken up or if it's kind of drying up in there, but I don't know. And to me, is it just me? And this is the second thing that I've gotten recently that called itself Mocha, and yet it was pink. Like, to me, Mocha is, you know, is a brown. It's I think, you know, chocolate and coffee is sort of what I think of when I think Mocha. Am I mistaken? I don't know. Anyway, that is the shade. And our last item is from the Beauty Crop, and it is a highlighter in the shade Sicily Sunset. And it is actually sealed, so I don't want to open it in case I don't keep it, but look at the holographic packaging on that. Because it does look like it might be a little bit dark for me, but it's got a retail value of $10. So again, the add-on price for this bundle, this trio, was $10. Retail value $43, not including the bag. Not too bad. And I do have one more trio, and a dog who's trying to get under my feet. Okay, my last trio is the Fall Flush Trio, and sorry, I have a puppy down here who's not quite coming into frame, but she's, oh, here she comes. Minnie, say hi. Say hi to the nice people. No? Okay. Okay, the final trio is the Fall Flush Trio. And this is the same bag as we got in the last one, but a different bundle. And let's see what we've got in here. This is very fall, as you can see. Again, only 3 items, but the first one, oh, box is a little beat up, but that's okay. This is the Go-Go Tint from Benefit Cosmetics. This is a the lip and cheek stain. There are 5 shades of this. This one, Go-Go Tint, is Bright Cherry. Yeah, Bright Cherry Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. Now, currently, this shade is only sold as a 6 milliliter, although there was 10 milliliters in the original shade. This is a 10 milliliter, so this is larger than the retail product, where we usually have the other way around. The 10 milliliter is a retail value of $30. And our next one, and you know these are always popular, this is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is the Soho Highlighter. They always package these ones so well. I don't want to lose the bag, because if I don't keep it, oh, it's very, very pretty. It is very peachy, so I may not keep it because that's not really a good shade for me, but it's really pretty. That is the Soho Highlighter. It is a full size, and retails for $35. And the last product, like there needed to be more, is from Kiss and Smink, who I'd never heard of. And this is what they call the Everything, which is also like a lip and cheek product. It is the Everything Stick in the shade Tulum. This is what the product looks like before I open up the color. And come on, there we go. Not sure if I'm gonna, oh, that's a pretty shade. Don't know if I'm gonna keep this one or not, but I was interested enough to pick up the trio because of everything that was in it. I had never heard of this, but they do retail for $20. This trio was $10 and got 3 full-size products with a total retail value, not counting the bag, of $85. So this is a really good one. So I get 3 trios. Total cost for me was $30. My total retail value, $170.90. Can't beat that. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Did you shop the IPSY add-on sale? Any particular items that I got that you like or didn't like? You think it's worth it to try these and kind of see what you get? I hope you think it's worth it, because this is not my only order from the IPSY sale. In fact, there were at least 2, 3, I don't know, there are a couple more coming. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.